So this is the Labeler platform, and you can see a very large piece of text here, which has been annotated, with different colors. And if I click on January 14, 2023, you can see this has been annotated under the order date and category. And the dark green is for the order number category. You can see it popping in between the screen, and if I click on need help, you can see the that it has been annotated under service name category. So it's very easy to identify the different annotations under different categories by clicking on them. Also, there's a very cool feature that platform provides, and it is the interaction between different annotations and the left panel. So if you click on the review screen and you go here, so if you click on January 14, 2023, you'll see that this is the order date and this is the first annotation in your document. And if I click on this light green need help, you'll see that need help has been annotated under service name category, and service name has two annotations. Need help is one of them, the other one is pick. And then if you click on Velveta original melting cheese dip, you'll see that it has been annotated under the product name category, and product name category has 32 different annotations. So there are 32 different product names inside this piece of text. Now it's very easy to review your annotations that have been done, and in a very large piece of text, and it's very easy to review every one of them. You can know the count, and you can know everything about the annotations present inside the text. So it's very easy to review because of Labeller's cool features. So I hope you enjoyed, and all the features as explained by me for Labelerr. And so Labelerr has made text annotation a breeze, and so happy annotating with your huge pieces of text. Thank you.